If you are looking to get amazing hosting discount, then you are at the right video, because in this video I will give you a special discount link plus 2 of the finest coupon codes and a step-by-step tutorial on how you can avail this amazing discount when you buy your hosting from Hostinger. For those who don't know, I've been using Hostinger from the last years and my experience so far is very good. So I'm here with a special deal for my audience. Make sure to click on the link in the description, and once you click, you will be landed to a page like this, and the background may fluctuate over the time, so you do not have to worry with the background. You just make sure to click on the link in the description to enjoy this amazing discounts. You can see over here a special deal running right now by the Hostinger. If you scroll back, you can see that Hostinger is being recommended by WordPress.org, Trustpilot, Google, HostAdvice, WBeginner. All of them say that Hostinger is an amazing hosting company, and I can second this on it after using it for my own blog. So now you can see over here, if you scroll back, these are the 3 most popular plans, and you can see an already discount is being applied. But with my discount coupon code, they're going to get additional discount on already running discount deals. So if you scroll below, you can see that Hostinger has fast, secure, and reliable servers. You can create website in seconds with a powerful artificial intelligence based website builder. You just have to give the command, and it's going to create a website automatically. You are getting free domains with all of the annual plans as well. If you scroll below, you can see that if you are coming from another hosting company to Hostinger and looking for website migration process, they have a dedicated team in shifting your website, and that too free of cost. All you have to do is to reach out to the support. You can even go with this over here. You can see over here and ask me over here, and you can simply ask them as well. And that they also have a dedicated tool as well. But either way, reaching out to support is the best and quickest way to get the help sorted to shift your website, and that too free of cost. If you scroll below, you can see that Hostinger, this is one of the review of our client, who has a very satisfactory response. Hostinger control panel is super easy, super friendly. Anyone can operate, even a newbie or a beginner can operate it, because almost everything is being shown, and you do not even need a tutorial to manage your hosting account. Hosting has fast, secure, and reliable servers. They have data centers all around in the world, so you can choose your location as per convenience, and the security features are just mind-blowing. You're getting automatic backup facility plus SSL security certificates and Cloudflare protected name servers. And right now, 3 million plus people are using Hostinger as their primary hosting company. And if you want to enjoy this amazing discount with Hostinger, make sure to go above and select any plan. I highly recommend you guys to do a see all features and do a thorough comparison before you're going to select any plan. Simply select the juice plan after you decide with what plan you have to go. Once you select the juice plan, you will be redirected to another page. Over that page, you can see your billing period. You can apply your coupon code as well. So you can see that this special discount is already over here. And I highly recommend you guys to select the 48 months. You can save the most amount of money after you select your 48 months. Select the have a coupon code and try this amazing coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link. After you apply this discount link, you can see that your price is going to get a further discount on already running discount deals. Imagine it. Now there is another discount coupon code as well, and it is with the name of AHI10. You can simply apply over here, and you're going to see that your price is going to get a further discount on already running discount deals. So makes it an exceptional purchase. After this, simply select the continue over here. Once you select the continue, you are being redirected over here. We could see your order summary. You could see over here your order summary over here. Now you can see that the coupon is already applied. Now you have to write your billing details over here. Once you write your billing details, simply select the continue over here. After you write your billing details, once you select the continue, after writing your billing details, select your payment method. Hostinger offer variety of payment method. You have so many options to choose on. You can select any as per your convenience. You can go with a credit card people, and that they also have country specific additional payment method as well. So you can select any as per your convenience. Let's say we're going on to a credit card. The process is very easy. Select credit card, write your billing details, and simply select the submit button. That's how easily you can enjoy the Hostinger discount. If you ask me, I've been using Hostinger from the last years, and my experience is so far very good. This is a special exclusive discount for my audience. I highly recommend you guys to click on the link in the description and enjoy this amazing discount with Hostinger with using either of the coupon codes. So good luck with the hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.